you can see that we don't have any errors and we don't have any warnings. And that's because we need to utilize the filters above here to select the country and the filing period accordingly to be able to visualize the errors and warnings. So our company is already selected. When it comes to the country, there are a couple of considerations. First, if the company only has one registration, so there's only one return, one country for which we're filing, we advise to leave the country filter unselected. And that is because we have some validations which come before the country validations. For example, if you have duplicates, and VAT reporting will first look at the invoice numbers. And if it identifies two invoice numbers which are similar, it could then throw up the error for duplication, and that comes before the country selection itself. So by leaving the country unselected, if you only have one company, you can then view any duplications that may apply as well. Now, if you have various country registrations, we recommend that you first filter to the registration for which you want to prepare the data. And once you've completed, then remove the country selection field in case you have any duplicates. You can then review those duplicates and identify any invoices that relate to the return that you're preparing. In this case, we only have the Netherlands in the data file. There's just one registration. And so I'm going to just leave the country selection unselected. And for the data itself, for the period, it's January all the way till March, so the first quarter of 2021. Errors are always going to come selected by default, but we would like to visualize also the warnings, so we'll go ahead and tick that. We can filter either just financial data to visualize the VAT, ECSS listing, and also VAT books, or just Intrastat data, or just live immediate filings such as SII. In this case, we're just going to leave all, but the data itself only comprises financial data. Of course, you can always search using an invoice number here if you wish. So I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. And then this is the feedback we get from VAT reporting.